Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, your dedicated lecture for better sleep. Tonight we're stepping into the dimmed forest, a special place designed to guide you into a state of deep relaxation and restful slumber. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast, ancient forest. The sun has just dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of deep purple and soft orange. The air is cool and crisp, carrying the gentle scent of pine and damp earth. This is our starting point, a gateway to tranquility. As you take your first step onto the soft, mossy path, leave behind all the worries and distractions of your day. With each step, feel the tension in your shoulders, your back, and your legs begin to melt away. The sounds of the busy world fade into the distance, replaced by the hushed whispers of the forest. The path ahead is illuminated by a soft, ethereal glow. It's not moonlight, but something more magical. Perhaps the gentle light from fireflies or glowing mushrooms lining the trail. This light is just enough to see your way, creating a safe and comforting atmosphere. You are not alone here. The ancient trees stand as silent guardians, their branches forming a protective canopy high above you. They've witnessed countless seasons, and their presence is a source of immense calm and stability. Feel their strength, their stillness, and let it become your own. Let's focus on our breathing for a moment. As you walk, inhale deeply through your nose, drawing in the clean, revitalizing forest air. Imagine this air traveling all the way down to your belly, filling you with peace and serenity. Hold it for just a moment. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any remaining stress or negativity. With each exhale, you feel lighter, as if a heavy weight is being lifted from you. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. Let's do this a few more times together. Breathe in deeply, and let it all go. One more time. A long, slow breath in, and a full, complete breath out. Your body is starting to feel heavier, more relaxed, sinking comfortably into this state of peace. As we venture deeper into the forest, the sounds around us become more pronounced. Listen closely. Can you hear the gentle rustle of leaves as a soft breeze moves through the canopy? It's like the forest is breathing with you. In the distance, you might hear the faint melodic call of a nightbird, a sound that adds to the symphony of the night without disturbing its peace. Perhaps you can even hear the distant trickle of a small stream, its water flowing steadily over smooth stones. Each sound is a note in nature's lullaby, composed just for you. These sounds are not distractions, they are anchors, grounding you in this present moment of complete tranquility. Let them wash over you, carrying you further and further away from the noise of your thoughts. Notice the details around you. The path is soft underfoot, cushioned by centuries of fallen leaves and moss. Reach out and touch the bark of a nearby tree. Feel its rough, textured surface. It's cool and solid, a reminder of the enduring strength of nature. Look at the ferns that grow in the underbrush, their delicate fronds unfurling in intricate patterns. Everything in this forest is exactly as it should be, perfectly in its place, existing in a state of natural harmony. And you, walking through it, are a part of this harmony. You belong here, in this moment of peace. Your mind might still try to wander, pulling you back to thoughts of yesterday or plans for tomorrow. That's perfectly okay. Don't fight it. Simply acknowledge the thought, like a cloud passing in the sky, and gently guide your focus back to the forest. Bring your attention back to the feel of the ground beneath your feet, the scent of the pine in the air, the sound of the gentle breeze. The forest is patient. It will wait for you. Each time you bring your attention back, you strengthen your ability to stay in this peaceful present. You are retraining your mind to find stillness. We are approaching a clearing now. In the center of this clearing is a small, serene pond. The water is perfectly still, like a dark mirror reflecting the last vestiges of twilight and the first few stars beginning to appear in the night sky. The air here is even cooler, and the scent of night-blooming flowers hangs delicately in the air. This is a place of profound stillness. Find a comfortable spot to sit by the edge of the pond. You can feel the cool, damp earth beneath you. Rest your hands on your knees and gaze into the water. As you look at your reflection, See not the tired person from the day, but a being at peace, completely at one with this tranquil environment. The water is a symbol of your subconscious mind, deep, mysterious, and holding the key to profound rest. Notice how calm the surface is. This is the state we are aiming for in our own minds. Let any lingering thoughts ripple out and disappear, just as a pebble dropped into the water would create ripples that eventually fade, leaving the surface smooth and calm once more. You have the power to find this stillness within you. Your body is now very heavy and deeply relaxed. Your eyelids feel heavy, and your breathing is slow and rhythmic. You feel safe, secure, and completely at ease. This feeling of deep relaxation is spreading through every part of you, from the tips of your toes, up through your legs into your torso, along your arms, and up to the crown of your head. Every muscle, every fiber of your being is letting go. You are ready for sleep. This isn't a state you have to force. It's a natural process you are allowing to happen. Your body knows what to do. Your mind is quiet. You can choose to stay here by the pond for a little while longer, or you can find a soft bed of moss nearby to lie down on. Imagine yourself curling up, feeling completely supported by the earth. The forest enfolds you in a gentle embrace. The cool night air is like a soft blanket. The stars above are watching over you. You are completely safe and cared for. There is nothing left for you to do, nothing to think about, nothing to solve. Your only task now is to surrender to the peaceful call of sleep. Allow the gentle sounds of the forest to be the last thing you hear as you drift off. The rustling leaves, the distant stream, the soft hum of the night. These sounds will accompany you into your dreams, ensuring a night of deep, restorative rest. You are sinking deeper and deeper into a state of blissful slumber. Your mind is clear, your body is at rest, and your spirit is at peace. The dimmed forest has given you its gift of tranquility. As you continue to drift, know that this peaceful place is always available to you. You can return to this forest in your mind whenever you need to find calm and rest. It is your personal sanctuary. For now, let go completely. Allow yourself to be carried away on the gentle tide of sleep. Sweet dreams. Thank you for joining our sleep lecture tonight. Subscribe for more guided journeys to deep and restful sleep. Good night.